40 pounds a square foot.
That's how heavy that is?
Yeah. It's more than a square foot though.
Right.
I can tell. I'm thinking it's more like 100 pounds. Or at least 90.
Right.
Whew. Okay. Flywheels go in the middle, so I can't put those close together. What's a Harley crank weigh?
20 pounds?
Nothing compared to that thing.
20 maximum?
No, they're probably like 40. 35, 40. Okay, which side are we taking off?
You are taking off that side.
This side.
You have to scoot the plate back first.
You mean like that?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Something like that.
I'm gonna take that, push on that. I'm already tired. I have this over here. Put that right there. I'm running out of things to cross with.
I think you have some wood to catch that, right? Did you have some wood under there?
We could have a couple 2x4s.
I thought you had like some little choppy pieces.
I got a whole bunch of 2x4s I brought down from storage. A whole bunch of them.
These ones right here?
Well, the ones that are on this wall.
All right.
Yeah, what do I got? I got one 2x4.
Oh.
One's better than that. Told you about all mine.
Well, I thought those were all separate pieces at one point.
There's some more in the truck too, though. Let's see. We're gonna do this. We'll get this off of here. It's getting heavier. It's in the corner right now. It's leaning. All right, you'll do something like this. It doesn't work very well.
I thought that's what you had there the last time.
Nah, kind of from the press. I need 2x2s. Oh, there's the wood down there.
See?
What do you make all that work for?
I told you it should have been around here somewhere.
These are special pieces. Look at that. It's like they're made for it. There it is, made for it now. Okay, they're right there.
It's going to smack the metal before it smacks that wood.
Oh, is that what's going to happen?
Yep.
What was this wood for?
Mm.
Maybe like that. How about that?
I'm perfectly fine with it.
You like that one? Put it this way. This is precisionally made wood. Okay, how many tons are we going to take this time?
Man, you're way off center.
You happy? You happy now?
Close enough.
Okay. How many?
I call it about 10, 15.
Took 14 on the last one. Twin cams take 22.
There it is.
That wasn't very much.
That was 12.
These things are so weak. Twin cams are way stronger. You hold that so it don't fall down.
Hold what?
The top one.
Oh.
Yeah,
This
that
one.
I didn't want to flip over. Okay, it doesn't flip.
No, not yet.
Not enough counterweight. These things suck. They're in the force on them. 14 tons, 13 tons.
Enough tons?
Pretty weak. So twin cams are way more than that.
So let me ask you this. Is there a way to remanufacture the pin?
Yeah, go buy an S&S crank, or an Ultima crank, and I'll fix it. Ultima doesn't make these yet, S&S. That'll fix it. Short of that, nope.
Be careful. Last time you did this, you dropped bearings. You were very, very upset.
I'm a lot better this time. I've been practicing. Those ones right there are trying to come off.
And those ones that are in there, right there.
We used to have a transmission to use too. Maybe. I doubt it's just going to come up. Oh, it is. It is going to come up. Look at that. It almost came up. Tight. There it goes.
Hey. I'll just leave it alone.
Hey, don't drop. Okay, kick the train over there. That way. Good kick. Holding fixture. Special inmate holding fixture.
Works for twin cams too.
There you go. Hold away.
These aren't that bad.
Not very good either.
Yeah, but they're not that. Oh, my bad. Yeah, these aren't that bad.
No way. Get my oil control. Look my oil control.
What happened the last time you did this? You had a whole lot of oil?
Yeah, we made a mess, remember? There.
I forgot why we made the mess though.
Because those have to go from there to there, back and forth until it fits.
Oh yeah.
Because I don't have this closer to that.
Mm.
It also slings all over the place too, which I didn't like. We got a rag over here too, just in case. Alright, you're in charge of this now. Have a rag, you can get it. Alright, look out, you're in my way. This time we know what to do, so it's quicker. We roughed it in with a 2.3 and we finished with a 2.1, right? Because we don't have the 2.2 we need. Remember that?
Something like that.
Okay, good. Which one's this one?
We did it with whatever fit on there. With the skinny ones. The one with the skinny ones.
That's the 2.1.
Yeah, we need the one with the worn out ones.
Big ass one of them must be the 2.3.
Does it have really, really worn out?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now on eBay they got these two here. But they didn't have the one I wanted.
So are these markings supposed to be on the same side, or are they supposed to be on different sides of each other?
I like putting them on the same side, but they probably didn't want to put it together.
Does the 20 the Z mean 20 ounces? Is that how much those rods weigh or something?
I put numbers on the same side, but that's me.
Yeah, but what do the numbers mean?
What numbers?
The numbers. It says 20Z.
I don't know. I don't know, Harley.
They don't fit.
Where'd you get this crappy handle from?
I had told you that one won't go fit. The top one is too high. There you go.
You happy?
They'll both fit on there.
You're just one of those know-it-all guys, aren't you?
They'll both fit on there.
You do?
Yeah, they should.
Numbers matching?
In theory. See? Woo. Yeah, we need a little bit more cutting pressure.
Just banging on my fingers? Not too bad. I'm good with that. You good with that?
If it fits.
It fits. It came off. I'm gonna let this strip dry someplace.
I thought that's what the tray was for over there.
want to fill this tray up, not that one. This one's self-bleeding. That one there, doesn't do that. It takes work to clean that one up. This one used to be empty until it was flinging oil all over the place, and I was holding those cylinders out. It's a big mess. In play. Let's put on a red line. Close enough. Just have a finer stone in it, so we'll find the finish. Fingers like it was. Now, if I let most of this drip off before I move my hands over, they won't be so messy.
Needs more.
I think I must do that. I don't need it now. You want both of these on there? Like at the same time and everything?
Well, you're honing them together, right? Need more.
You gonna drive it fast?
Somebody is.
Beat the hell out of it?
Somebody is.
Two more fingers. Red line finally. Warming up too. Which one of the lines is down? It's getting hot.
That's no. The heat is not good for checking clearances.
It isn't?
No.
Heat's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, let me put my cool tank here for you. Are you happy?
I don't think that's how that works, but
How's it supposed to work?
it's cutting oil.
Cooled it.
It's not cooling oil,
It feels cooler now.
but it's cutting oil, not cooling
I
oil.
think it cooled it. Lubricating. Multifunctional. It also worked for milling. I was told you can't use it for cutting oil either.
Yeah. Can't use a lot of things for
You
something.
can't use oil for cutting oil. You have to use water.
Yeah, no.
Cutting water. I've never heard of cutting water though. When you Google cutting water, what do you get?
Water.
Yeah,
Regular water.
When you Google cutting oil, what do you get?
Oil.
Cutting oil.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they don't have cutting oil. Expert told me that. I believe him too.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that one better? With the higher RPM you run, the more clearance you need. I'll give it another couple more chances.
Well, I like high RPMs.
You gotta run the piss out of it. I already know you're gonna do it.
My bike lives at 4,000 plus. I'm 4,000 plus. So anything above 4,000, that's where the bike lives.
Mine's 7,500 up at my RPM.
Yeah, that's high.
Under 7,500 is lower, mid range.
Yeah.
Under 6,500 is lower end. I don't care about mid range. I only care about mid range and higher. What's elevated RPM? What's elevated RPM?
Anything over 10,000.
It's over 8. Hot. Cool down mode. The oil feels like it's about 58 degrees. The rod's only down to about 70 though. Okay, it's another half a thou. Now it's counting stoneware too, though. So. I think somebody wants me. All right, let's see what we got. Goes on easier now. Definitely got movement now. We're good.
Sounds good to me.
Good for now.